What's up, guys? Aaron from Wild Gaming here. We're about to do some Lone Echo. My first time ever playing this title. Been very excited to try it. Just took me a while to get it, I guess. Echo Arena, if you've played that, is what this is. You know, Lone Echo is what started Echo Arena. It's no longer part of Echo Arena, as you can see here, because it's its own thing. But that is what started Echo Arena, which is pretty cool. Let's go into story mode, start a new game. We'll play this for just a little while today. And if you're not familiar, Lone Echo 2 is actually on its way out here very soon, so be expecting that if you end up liking the gameplay on this. Dude, I can't wait. I love good stories. I hear this is probably one of the best VR titles, aside from maybe Half-Life Alyx, but very comparable. Is it comparable or comparable? Comparable? I don't know. Either way. Advanced Orbital Mining Strategies, Kronos 2.
Hera, open a new voice log entry.
Acknowledged. Recording.
Okay. This is Captain Liv Rhodes. Personal log entry for 7 of October 2126. This will be my final week aboard Kronos 2. In just a few days, I'll be leaving Saturn behind and making my way to my new assignment on Ceres. A bit odd, actually, saying it out loud. Anyway, all mining sites are running smoothly. Overnight harvest totals are a bit lower than I'd like. Oh, we had some sputtering on the number 12 RCS thruster. Jack and I managed. Oh, Jack. Good. Hold on a tick. Hera, pause recording.
Acknowledged, Captain Rhodes.
Morning, sunshine. And how are we feeling today?
Morning.
Jack, are you with me? Hera, let's go ahead and run Jack's calibration program.
Acknowledged.
Right. In you go, Jack. I'll see you in a few.
No. Let me out of here.
Module D221. Manual dexterity. I am Hera, Central AI for the Kronos 2 Orbital Mining Facility. I will guide you through this calibration program. First, close your hand to form a fist. Now extend your index finger. Good. To proceed, use your index finger to press the hollow button in front of you. Now reach out and grab the glowing disc that just appeared. When you are ready, throw the disc into the goal in front of you.
Aim at the
Target
robot.
missed. Press the hollow button to recall the disc. Please try again.
Alright, fine.
Target hit. Excellent throw. Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
Was not trying to pick my robot nose.
Module M101. Basic motor functions.
Hey, it's
Please
Fred.
hold the handle
Hey, Fred.
button to exit the activation pod.
How you doing,
This
buddy?
labor unit will guide you through the module.
That's not
Now
just any
carefully
labor
follow
unit, that's
by
Fred.
pulling yourself through the
Come on,
environment
you know
using
Fred.
any solid surface.
Alright, here we go. Come here, Fred. Give me a hug. I ain't seen you in a while, dude. Come here. Come here. No, no, Fred.
Please take
Freddy.
your time and follow the guide.
What's going on with you, Fred? That's creepy, dude. I can't grab you, Fred.
Carefully climb up the slope to continue. Now carefully pull yourself forward and release to glide to the exit. Calibration
Fred.
module
Fred.
complete.
Aw.
Module M205. Maneuvering thrusters.
I think Fred's just a hologram. Maybe I should call him Al.
Your hands are equipped with maneuvering thrusters, allowing you to move more freely in zero gravity. Activate left thruster. Activate right thruster. Now please exit the activation pod and use your maneuvering thrusters to reach the door ahead. Thrusters can be used in short bursts or held down for continuous usage. Please press the hollow button near the door to proceed. Good. Now navigate the environment using only your maneuvering thrusters. Do not grab any surfaces during this test.
But I'm gonna hit one.
Reboot initiated.
Fine.
Reminder, please do not touch any surfaces in the hallway.
Maybe I should have went up instead. This is too slow.
Thruster calibration at 50%.
Is that Fred? That's creepy, guys. You have me float through a place full of dead robots. Come here. Come here. Come here, Fred. Nah, crap, I'm gonna hit the wall. Sorry, Fred.
Calibration module complete.
What did you do to Fred?
Module C-111. Communication. We will now calibrate your communication system. When someone speaks to you, a reply notification may appear above your wrist. You may then respond by holding down the dialogue button on either hand and selecting a reply with your index finger. Hold down the dialogue button now. Input confirmed. Now hold down the dialogue button and select a reply.
Understood.
Good. Continuing calibration. Often, you will have a limited time to select a reply. In these cases, silence is considered a viable option. Do you understand?
I'm using silence as a viable
No
option.
response registered. Proceeding with calibration. Now exit the activation pod and move into the room ahead. You can also initiate conversations at points of interest throughout the world. If you look at certain people or objects while you are close to them, their name will appear, and an icon will indicate that you can use the dialogue button. You may then hold down the dialogue button and select an option, just like a reply. Now start a conversation with the labor unit, and speak about the Fury transport model in this room.
What's up, buddy?
Unit 42, what is your primary directive?
To assure the safety and well-being of Kronos 2 station personnel.
What is your secondary directive?
Preserving the integrity of Atlas Corporation property and equipment.
Please talk about the 2 points of interest in the room to continue.
Man, I'm trying. Alright.
A Mark 1 Fury transport, 1/48th scale.
Be advised, while real Fury transports can be used to travel to distant locations across the Kronos 2 station, I do not recommend attempting to ride this one.
Noted.
Communication system fully calibrated.
I'm trying to ride it.
To proceed to the next module.
She said she didn't recommend attempting to ride it. I was trying to ride.
I'm
Alright,
ready
fine.
to proceed.
That probably looked awkward. I was not trying to be awkward. Sorry. Oh, shipwreck!
Module A-131. Data scanner. Error. Calibration program failure. Stand by for reboot.
The directives have been pushing to make fully automated deep space mining the company's top priority. Your Echo unit is the perfect subject for our initial test runs.
This is crap. I'm 1 week
Love you
from
too,
leaving,
kiddo.
and you're just now telling me Jack's not coming.
Not right now. Maybe in a little while, okay?
Command wants the Echo unit to assume your duties when you leave for Sirius.
Well, how long has Command... Jack?
Nope, nope. I didn't do
Sorry, I
anything.
have to go.
I'm not awake. I'm still in calibration.
I'm so happy.
Jack? What happened?
Guys,
You were talking to Command.
that only
Oh.
had to pick up
Yeah. Sorry you had to hear that. Hang on, are you stuck in there?
My diagnostic program crashed.
That's never happened before.
The pod's release procedures may have been affected.
Worked that one out on your own, did you?
I failed to see how sarcasm was going to help.
Sorry, can't help it. Part of my wily British charm.
Boop. Boop.
Weren't you born in space?
You want out of there or not? You're all set. Listen, about my conversation with Command, how much did you overhear?
Not much.
Well, okay. I'm just gonna put it out there. You're no longer coming with me to Ceres.
What do you mean?
The directors want you to take over my duties as commander of the station. It'll just be you and the labor units. No humans.
So this is our last week together.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Look,
You kind of made a mess of this place, lady.
hit me with this news a few minutes ago. I mean, Command splitting us up, I never even considered it a possibility. I'm not entirely sure what to say. Except,
I still say you've made a mess of this place.
I'm sorry, Jack.
Orders are orders. Command must have their reasons.
Doesn't necessarily mean they're good ones.
It's okay.
Regardless,
It's okay.
it doesn't seem like there's anything we can do.
Come on then. No sense putting it off.
Fred? Are you Fred?
Let's get our last week started. Why don't you go activate the bridge while I pull the overnight?
Copy that. Unit 12, are those repairs on schedule?
Affirmative. Data network maintenance will be completed by 09:30 on October 8th, 2126.
Acknowledged.
Attachment detected.
You got some repairs that need done, buddy. Hold up.
Hello there.
Hi.
Please keep your hands and arms in the ride at all times.
What am I supposed to do now?
You seem upset.
You're getting way too good at reading human responses, you know that.
Well, I have had a few years of practice.
Yeah. It shows. Yes, Jack?
Did you say you wanted me to activate the bridge?
That I did. Towards the forward center console. A personal space, Jack.
Sorry. I'm enjoying this floating around business.
Your swear count is not increased for nearly 10 hours. Congratulations.
Oh, quit playing with that damn thing.
Oh. Haha.
Shit.
Never mind.
Haha.
Ass. Damn. Shit.
Okay. That's enough of that. Sorry. Just making sure everything's working.
This hull plate is from Liv's first accident on the station. Unless we experience 22 further incidents in the next week, she will end her tenure as captain with the fewest accidents in Kronos 2's history. The Kronos 2 station has been in operation for over 5 years. Liv has been its longest tenured captain. This is an official Echo Arena disc. Where did you acquire it?
My dad got it for me at a match back on Juno. You know, you'd probably be pretty good at it. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to play?
Occasionally. I do find the game's strategies intriguing.
You should give it a go sometime with the
It's actually a pretty fun game.
Be good for you to have a hobby.
A little bit riddled with young folk, but fun.
Did you throw that on purpose?
Yeah, that's the way the game works. What is that?
Jack, now I know that was on purpose.
Trying to add to the swear counter. No.
23-11. It would appear I'm going to win. Again.
Now hold on. I've still got 7 days. Plenty of time to stage my epic comeback.
Considering the significant difference between our two scores and given your win-loss record, I would estimate the odds of you staging an epic comeback are approximately 3,725 to 1.
Wow, Jack, that is just some of the worst trash talk I've ever heard.
Such a small goal. Did I already do this one? No.
This is the first helium-3 deposit mined at the Kronos 2 facility.
Yeah. Still a lot more stuff to look at.
Will you get a plaque to commemorate your own tenure as captain, Liv?
What? Why would I get a plaque?
The first captain of this station received one, and your performance has exceeded his by every metric.
That's not really how it works, Jack, but I appreciate the sentiment.
This model is meant to depict an S8 labor unit, is it not?
That's right. Why? Is something wrong with it?
No, I assume that its exaggerated proportions are meant to be humorous.
Well, yes, but if you have to explain the joke, it kind of ruins it.
I see. I will make note of this in my logs. Liv, if you keep consuming this snack food, you risk getting a cavity.
Oh, I can't help it. They're the only thing edible up here.
I could dispose of them if you like.
Don't you dare.
Why do you find these creatures appealing?
Bulldogs are a symbol of the British spirit. We don't want to know when the odds are against us.
Ah. Sounds familiar.
Oh, shut up, Jack.
Are you going to leave these behind?
I hadn't really thought about it. Why, do you want to keep them?
And what purpose would I have for toy dinosaurs?
Oh, something to remember me by?
You forget my memory is archived. I can remember you anytime I wish.
Suit yourself. It won't be the same.
The primary control panel. I can activate the bridge from here.
Transitioning to daytime cycle.
Dude. Pretty cool.
I'm really going to miss this part. I'll get started on the morning checklist in a bit. Just give me a moment to soak in this view.
Take your time. Command splitting us up. It bothers you.
I just thought you'd be coming with me, is all.
No assignment is ever permanent. I would think you'd know that better than anyone.
Well, that's certainly true.
It is entirely possible that we will work together again sometime in the future.
Maybe. Here's hoping. Going somewhere?
It's just trying to talk with you at the dinosaur.
Let's get started on that checklist.
You sure? There's no rush. It is our last week, after all.
You're right. We can wait and take in the view.
For a little while, at least.
Yes, for a little while. Would you like me to archive this list for you? That way we could remove this note.
No, thanks. I actually like a bit of clutter. Makes it feel more like home.
I am.
So, Jack, I suppose congratulations are in order.
For what?
Your promotion.
There's really no need for that.
Come on now, it's a big deal. In a few days, you'll be Captain Jack.
Yeah.
So, congratulations,
Dun dun
Captain
dun
Jack.
dun dun dun
What I
dun dun
mean
dun.
is, as an Echo unit, I hold no official rank. So technically, I can't be promoted.
Hey, kiddo.
Right. Well, that's too bad. Captain Jack has quite the ring to it.
Yeah, sounds like it's been taken
you
before.
are the only person who calls me Jack. To everyone else, I am merely Echo 1.
Is that your way of saying you're going to miss me?
I have no...
What was that? Jack, did you feel that? What the hell? Please tell me you can see that.
Affirmative. I see it.
Any idea what it is?
I'm afraid not. There are no records of any such phenomenon in the Atlas Interplanetary Database. It is an anomaly.
What the... Jack, are you alright?
I believe so.
You were glitching out.
The disturbance briefly disrupted my internal systems, but I'm not reading any permanent damage. Liv, it's possible that anomaly is not entirely...
Amber, be good.
Priority alert.
The hollow table. Something's wrong.
I'll investigate.
Hera, initiate broad spectrum scan. Focus on the following coordinates.
Hera, status report.
Multiple Tier 1 malfunctions detected.
Isolate and identify.
Acknowledged. Isolating. Awaiting input. Saturn Orbital Zone Beta. Orbital Mining Facility. Designation, Kronos 2.
Next shipment 27 days, 9 hours. Mining operations active, 98.7%.
Central Mining Station.
Status nominal. Primary cargo helium-3 isotope.
Malfunctions isolated.
That is a lot of red.
Perhaps it's not as bad as it looks.
Ground fault recorded in the cargo bay. Possible circuit overload. Reading marked temperature increase in the core containment chamber. Lockdown procedures in effect. Power failure reported in primary oxygen garden. Emergency failsafes triggered.
What, that's it? That's all we've got to go on?
Hera, can you give us an in-depth scan of each affected area?
Negative. Unable to establish communication with cube satellites.
Wait, we lost the CubeSats? How the hell
Skin
did
exposed up.
we... Forget it. Let's just have a look for ourselves. Where are you, little bugger? Ah, here we are. Jack, could you do us a favor and scan this CubeSat?
I'll need to calibrate my scanner first. Stand by. It'll only be a moment.
Module A-131. Data scanner. Your scanning tool allows you to collect data on anything in the environment. Please exit the pod to begin calibrating it. Please follow me to the disk spawner at the back of the room. Now activate your scanner by pressing the button on top of your hand. Both of your hands have this functionality. Good. Now aim the scanner at the I/O port on the disk spawner and hold the trigger to initiate a scan. After scanning something, its name will appear next to your hand on the scanner's data tab. To see the results of your scan, grasp the tab and pull it away from your hand. Pull the data tab now.
Oh, cool.
Excellent. Use the button on top of your hand to deactivate the scanner now.
Please contact your system administrator if this is unexpected behavior. Atlas Intelligence System standard optical input-output port designed for high bandwidth point-to-point communication between a variety of integrated systems. Latest
Please
firmware.
deactivate your scanner to proceed.
Okay. Habitation Errand Administrator. Hera is the primary operating system for most Atlas Intelligence vessels, orbital facilities, and planetary installations. Since her original inception in the late 2070s, Hera has easily become one of the most widely utilized artificial intelligence constructs in the solar system. As with most software, the Hera system has been iterated upon over the years.
Please
Oh gosh.
deactivate your scanner to
The
proceed.
latest version features improvements to interpersonal protocols and compatibility updates for interfacing with the latest model of Atlas Android, the Series 11 Echo unit. Cronus 11, or Cronus 2, sorry. Install of Hera has the primary function of assisting in management of the day-to-day operations of the mining facility while providing situational awareness, data retrieval, and risk assessment. Her presence is ubiquitous across the entire Kronos 2 orbital data network, allowing her to communicate directly with key personnel regardless of where they are amongst the facilities. Interesting. We'll scan one more thing. Alright. Score goals in the Zero-G Sport of the Future.
Good. To complete this module, gather scan data on 5 other materials or objects.
Crap. I mean, I already did, technically. I got you.
Initiating human sarcasm. I thought we were friends, Echo 1.
Got the disc.
Scans remaining.
Let's get the wall.
2 scans remaining.
Let's do the door. Dark
1
marker
scan
gray grid.
remaining.
Okay. Not really many interesting things.
Calibration module complete.
Nav pillar.
Please stand by.
All set?
Scanner fully calibrated.
Heads up.
Go on.
Give that CubeSat a scan. See if you can work out what's wrong with it.
Scan IO port to reset. Wait, that's not. Where's the IO? Oh, there it is.
Scan complete.
Right. Well, what's the story?
According to these readings, something was disrupting the CubeSat's ability to communicate with the rest of the sensor network.
Was?
My scanner appears to have reset the CubeSat's transmitters.
You
and
okay,
restored
kiddo?
the connection.
Bless you.
Oh, well, problem solved. All you have to do is find and scan every last CubeSat we have scattered across the entire facility.
Sounds like fun.
Of course, it would to you.
What?
I'll send an objective to your ARM computer.
Love you.
Consider it low priority.
I miss you too, kiddo.
Objective received.
Right then, on to the real problems. What do you think? What's next?
Okay, honey.
Hera, status update on your scan of the anomaly.
Scan currently 3% complete.
3%? What's the
I
problem?
know.
The sensor network is attempting to perform a full spectrum scan of an unknown entity. It might take a while.
Lovely. Well, in the meantime, we've got 3 Tier 1 malfunctions that need our attention. What do you say we get started on those repairs?
Good idea.
I'll need a few minutes to pull today's command codes off my console. You can just keep yourself occupied till then, I'm sure.
Of course.
Is what, Ember? That's the game. Oh, that's you doing that. Silly. Amber, stop, honey. You know what?
I don't know what I'm doing. I have a pocket. Remember that one time that a long time ago I put chocolate in my pants and it melted?
Yeah, I remember.
I wish they gave us scanning tools. As a Series 8, I am clearly more advanced than an Echo 1. Higher number
Unit
of
12, are
greater
you all
damage.
right? Were you damaged by that pulse?
Status report. Negligible damage received to internal coolant systems.
Sound pretty
All
damaged
other
if you think you're
systems
cooler than I am, dude.
Good. Proceed with your current assignment.
Affirmative. What is my purpose?
You pass butter.
Oh my god.
Welcome to the club, pal.
Just a bucket of ones and zeros. You could just ask.
That's a core processing unit? Okay.
What is my purpose?
You pass butter.
Oh my god.
Welcome to the club, pal.
Now let's see. Performs industrial tasks. Durable and cheap. Sorry, buddy. You are durable and cheap, sir. See what this thing was I was picking up in the beginning. Module grommet. Universal connection for a variety of station modules. Oh, when did this open up?
I'm still not certain how these are used.
Standard human toiletry. Minimizes fluid transfer. Okay. Someone said toothbrush a minute ago. I don't know where it was.
There will be no use for this equipment once the station is fully automated. My own motor functions do not atrophy.
$12 billion. Goodness. Capital New York City, the capital of Earth. Completed all training requirements, procedures for certification of flight readiness. Recognition of distinguished service. Doctor of Mechanical Engineering. Doctor of Astrophysics.
Do you think you'll visit Earth now that you've been transferred to the inner planets?
I've thought about it. Be nice to finally see London.
Where your parents are from.
Right. My father never could stop.
My hand rotates in weird ways.
He never called it by name, though. It was just the city. Was that were the only one that had ever existed?
What is this thing?
Oh, I can't walk.
What's the matter with you, kiddo?
I hit my toes. Heel.
Play.
Oh, they stick. That's cool. Secret weapon, fix anything. Funny.
These are all items I've given to Liv. She appears to have kept them in excellent condition.
What, honey?
Who's the hair that I found? Mine or her?
I don't know, honey.
I saw a weird blackness. And I saw this.
This music's a little too
Stop.
loud. Phew. Goodness.
It was black.
What is this? Like a sleep chamber, I guess? Like a bed? Must be.
Olivia and her family. She doesn't like to talk about this photo. These patches are from Liv's previous missions. Looks like she'll need a new plaque for the Kronos 2 mission.
What do I do right now? Oh, CubeSat reactivation, scan the IO ports of all. Meet Liv in the active, okay. Just wondering. Wait, what's that?
This is the emblem of the United Solar Nations, the governing body that oversees the system. This is the official emblem of the Kronos 2 station.
Ah! Sorry. Getting away from myself. A little bit.
Fortunately, this backup echo unit appears to be functional. I can transfer to it if necessary. This echo unit pod is damaged as well. If no echo unit pods are functional and my shell suffers a hardware failure, I would have to revert to an old version of my OS on the station's server.
Ready to go?
No, not yet.
Well, just let me know when you are.
Will you have Series 8 labor units with you on Ceres?
I'm sure. But fortunately, I won't need to rely on them for company with all the other people there. Labor units have always been a bit dim.
They lack my core learning modules, if that's what you mean.
More to it than that, but yeah, that's more or less the gist of it.
Ah! This is pretty cool, dude.
Ready when you are.
Come on then. Let's go sort out those malfunctions. Not the best way to start our last week. Don't believe we've ever seen this many malfunctions all at the same time.
We've also never had an unidentified spatial anomaly suddenly appear directly off our port bow.
It's a day of firsts, really.
You do realize it's possible we just made a groundbreaking scientific discovery.
Well, let's not go writing our Nobel acceptance speeches just yet. Or at least, not until we're certain the station isn't going to fall apart.
An encrypted audio file. Curious. When the anomaly scrambled the CubeSat, it inadvertently connected them to a secure Atlas Corporation network. If I scan more of them, I may be able to crack the encryption. The bioregeneration systems in this sector are still functional. These samples are in no danger. Hopefully the flora in the oxygen garden are also unharmed.
I didn't realize these were drawers, dude. That's cool. Oh, those ones don't open though. Let me grab that real quick. Hey, buddy. Yeah, what's that?
Watch the main video that I'm using.
There's one video on my
Alright guys, sorry about that. Let's go switch back to VR. We'll play just a little while longer and I have to jump off here after that. Let's see. What was I doing? Let's see what was in this drawer. Just more duct tape and something. I can't get the stuff out of there though. I could probably scan it still. Space epoxy. Interesting. In case of robot insurrection.
She says okay.
Okay. Love you, kiddo. Dang. Dang. Does these even stick? Okay. Yeah, they definitely stick. Oh, it's still Hera.
This remote control Fury transport was left on the station by one of Liv's predecessors. Liv always wanted to find another one so we could race them. It seems the Kronos 2 Grand Prix will never occur.
Who was breathing like that? Alright, come back to me. Did I wreck it? What is that? What is breathing like that? Yeah, almost. Gonna jump off of her to grab that.
Ah, what the?
Warning, unsecured cargo in the hold.
Yeah, that much I worked out. Can you tell me why we have unsecured cargo in the hold?
Negative.
Okay, well, we might want to look into that.
What's that, Misty? Oh.
Alright, Jack. Looks like there's a lot to do this morning.
Any priority alerts?
Well, it'll be your station soon. What problem do you want to tackle first?
Send the data to my ARM computer. I'll have a look. Let's see.
Take a look at your objectives on your ARM computer and let me know which one you want to address first.
Let's fix the power failure in the oxygen garden.
Okay, follow me.
Liv, what is this model doing here?
Did something knock that loose? I was going to pack it up so I could take it with me to Sirius. I'll get to it at some point. Eventually. Probably.
I'll set a reminder. This lever locks the cargo in place in case of a power failure.
What'd she do?
Standard Atlas Corporation cargo containers, magnetically secured.
Is this appropriate?
Liv, is this your EVA helmet?
Yeah, it should be fine.
It's just a spare. Don't worry about it.
I did. I looked under the nose. Cats and grey pants.
Very well.
Sweatpants, I mean, what's the point of getting dressed? Just hang out around now.
Yeah, he says he's gonna cook it over here if that's all right. Huh?
4 to 4:30.
Yeah, but he's gonna just get the stuff and cook it over here because he said it only takes 2 hours. Yeah, I mean, we don't have to. We can tell him that that doesn't work if you want to. It's not too late. It's not too late at all. All right. I know. I'm quitting in a second.
I'm starting to crack the encryption. If I find more CubeSats, I should be able to save the completed audio file to my ARM computer. That will let me share any files I find with Liv once I've gathered enough information. We aren't troubleshooting this problem yet. I should follow Liv.
But there's so much to look at.
Solar panels like these help provide power to the mining equipment across the facility. Standard practice for stations of this size.
I wish they gave us scanning tools.
Unit 16, what is your current assignment?
Current assignment. Separate Captain Rhodes' personal effects from Atlas Corporation property in preparation for her upcoming departure.
Acknowledged. Carry on. An early Christmas present. Who is this from?
Titan Command Center. They send one to every officer assigned to a remote station.
Why
Oops.
do they do that?
To remind us of civilization, I suppose. Some people don't take well to the isolation. It can be taxing.
Put that back. There we go. Did you go in here? I'm not sure where she went. Did she go in here? Hello? Anybody? Marco? I think I went the wrong way. Hello. Oh, there you are.
This device is designed to purge high levels of radiation. Hopefully, we never have to use it.
Just the way we came in? Yeah, it is.
Looks like the power failure knocked out the door to the oxygen garden. I'll pull the manual release.
You do that. Smack. I don't
And
know.
of course,
Sorry,
the
good
access
game.
panel is stuck.
Have to. I don't know.
I think you're going to have to cut through.
I'll need to calibrate my reactor.
Why does my punch
cutter
not work?
first.
Right. Considering the power outage, let's also calibrate your entry light.
Module A, 901. Reactive cutter. Please exit the activation pod and proceed to the door ahead. Activate your reactive cutter by pressing the glowing touch point on the underside of your wrist. Highlighting cuttable surface. Use the reactive cutter to cut through the highlighted brackets. Please cut through the highlighted brackets to proceed. Cutter functionality test complete. Lift open the door to proceed. Lift up the door to proceed to the next area. Highlighting cuttable surface. Use your reactive cutter to cut out a portion of the highlighted panel. Once you have cut away enough of the panel, press the hollow button to complete this calibration module. Please press the hollow button to complete the calibration module. Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
With me.
Module H, 144. Helmet visor. You can open and close your helmet visor by pressing the button on the left side of your helmet with your index finger. Please open your helmet visor now. Now please exit the activation pod and proceed to the room ahead.
What's the point in that? Oh, lights. It's very dark, Hera, or whatever your name is.
Pressing a button on the right side of your helmet. Once your headlamp is on, shine it on my location. Well done. I am moving to new coordinates in the next room. Find me and shine your headlamp on my location.
Next room. What next room? Ah.
Excellent. Please press the button on the right side of your helmet to turn off the headlamp and complete the module. Calibration module complete.
Reactive cutter and headlamp calibrated successfully.
Copy that. Cut through the access panel so we can pull the door release handle.
Come on now.
Excellent, follow me. Let's get started. Hope you're not afraid of the dark. Can you use your headlamp to help me find the electrical grid maintenance panel?
Affirmative. Olivia, I've located the maintenance panel.
Perfect. Keep your light on it for a moment while I remove the cover.
Despite the damage, the test groups appear unharmed.
Heads up, Jack. Coming through.
Whoa, watch your feet there, lady.
Looks like we've got some fused
Tickle, tickle, tickle,
wiring.
tickle, tickle, tickle.
Status report.
The short caused a full system crash. We'll need to reset each of the environmental controls. Can you find the emergency junction while I sort out this mess?
How are you feeling?
A little better now. I'm distracting myself by making a list of ways I can sneak you off to Sirius. So far, I'm down to hiding you in my luggage.
That sounds uncomfortable. Do you require assistance?
With this? No, this shouldn't be a problem.
No, like storing in your
Do this
luggage.
in vacuum conditions. I'll take a few tier 1 malfunctions any day.
Yeah, kiddo.
What should I be doing right now?
Give me 1
Restore
second.
power to the emergency junction, Jack.
I'm almost done, kiddo.
Liv, this airlock has been inoperable for 57 days.
And when that hits 64 days, it'll no longer be my problem.
You mean it will be my problem?
Heavy is the head that bears the crown, Jack.
What is it, kiddo? Huh? 1 second.
Let's get the junction online so we can start the diagnostics.
I've reached the junction cover. Did you bring a spanner?
Just cut through the bolts. We can deal with the cleanup after we figure out what's wrong with the station.
Affirmative. Going hot. Electronic interface. I'll need to use my scanner to link up with the I/O port. Emergency power online.
The backup conduit only has enough juice to diagnose one system at a time. Go ahead and get started when you're ready.
I'll need to cut the bolt off this cover too. The O2 mixture is off. I'll need to adjust the levels of atmospheric exchange.
Careful with that, Jack. One of us still has to breathe the air here for the next few days.
These controls adjust the balance between oxygen output and CO2 capture.
The air composition needs to stay balanced, Jack.
Bioregenerative systems calibrated.
CO2 capture optimized for both plant and mammalian passengers.
Mammalian, huh? How flattering.
Apologies, Liv. I didn't mean to sound clinical.
Once I'm gone, you'll probably be able to shut down this part of the room.
I think I'll keep it, actually, to add color.
Jack, you aren't starting to enjoy botany, are you?
Yes.
A robot gardener. I guess the truth really is stranger than fiction. Use the junction to select another system.
Already on it, lady.
I'll need to cut the bolt off this cover, too. The alert must have shut down water flow to the hydroponic systems.
It's designed to seal the main reservoir in case of a breach. You'll need to pump the handle to restore pressure to the plumbing.
I can pump this handle to restore pressure to the irrigation system.
Water flow restored.
Irrigation system within operating parameters.
That should help keep the walls open. That's 2 down. Let's tackle the last system.
Wow. Wow. I'm just being silly. How tiny did it get? Oh yeah, that is really tiny.
You will certainly be leaving Kronos 2 with a vast surplus of duct tape, Liv.
That's because duct tape fixes everything.
Everything.
What? You don't think so?
No, it can't. I have repair schematics for over 50,000 hardware profiles, and none of them mention duct tape. The transformer can't form a complete circuit.
We probably need to realign the coils. Run a scan to confirm.
The coils have been damaged.
Shit. Unlock them so we can get a
Swear,
closer look.
swear monkey.
Parts of the coils are damaged. If I can form one complete row, I should be able to restore power flow. This handle unlocks the transformer coils so I can realign the core. Conversion coils unlocked.
As long as we can still form one complete row, we should be able to get the transformer back online.
How do I move it? How do I move it? It's not moving. Okay.
I'll need to align the coils to form a complete row.
It would work if it was moving, but it's not moving. Oh, okay. Here we go.
Power current stabilized.
Conversion process successful. Current strong.
Nice job. Once I finish replacing these wires, we should be able to get the lights on. Hera, verify all Oxygen Garden subsystems.
Subsystems within normal parameters.
Right, I'm about done here. Do you see the access panel near me?
Echo Program Candidate number 37. Lieutenant Rhodes, Olivia J.
Now this one's promising. Accepted into the USN Aerospace Academy at 16. Exemplary marks in engineering, geology, robotics. Elite stuff. All the versatility you could want in an astronaut. The USN even approached her for the Pythias initiative, but she declined. I'm not interested in leaving the solar system like this. And her psych profile, she's right on the money. Took some prying, but the interviewer got her to open up about her family. Younger brother, Jackson. You could tell they were close. Probably had to look after him a lot with two scientists for parents. That's just what we need for Echo 1. She's perfect.
What should I be doing right now?
We're about wrapped up here. We just need to throw the breaker to get the power back on.
I see the access panel.
Good. You'll need to wait and throw the main breaker on my mark. Got it?
I don't know how to get it open first.
Acknowledged. I will await your command before throwing the breaker.
There we go.
Removing utility cover. Please stand by.
I've got to pump the primer handle before you throw the breaker. Let me know when you're ready and I'll count us down.
On your command.
Acknowledged. Throw the switch in 3, 2, 1. Ow!
What?
Are you trying to kill me, Jack?
Oops.
You're lucky this place runs on a lower current.
Oxygen Garden operational. Environmental control
Oh, hello,
systems restored.
lady. Calm
That's
down.
one more system we don't have to worry about.
Hopefully it stays that way.
Don't jinx it, Jack. There's no wood to knock on around here. Well, there's still the ground fault in the cargo bay and the temperature spike in core containment. What's next on the agenda?
No, kiddo, I have the mic on.
Let's investigate the temperature spike in core containment.
Give me 1 sec, okay?
Okay, follow me.
Huh? No, the microphone means they can hear. It means they hear everything, including Mommy's music probably, because Mommy keeps leaving the door open.
Can they hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you. You see this game I'm playing on the computer screen?
Is Rose like that?
No, Rosalie, no, it's just me. But you see the game I'm playing?
Find anything?
Nothing conclusive.
Oh, that's just a which
Your
this
body is
lady?
radiation hardened. Care to take a look inside?
You're talking about this
I'll
lady?
see what I can ascertain.
Hera,
That's just
disable
a-
all containment safety protocols.
Just
and
a
unseal the
person I'm
hatch.
helping.
Acknowledged. Awaiting
She's
manual
not real. She's just
operation.
part of the game.
Head on in. I'll see you on the other side.
No, Rose is not a person.
I mean, she's a person, but she's part of the game. She's not a real person. They got it.
That would be crazy if a person went.
You'll need to seal yourself in before
Oh.
we can expose the core.
You okay?
Yeah. Barely hit me. Oh, I'll go clean.
Did I not seal myself in? I tried. There it goes. What do I do, lady?
I should finish calibrating my radiation shield before we continue.
Acknowledged. Standing by.
Module A, 251. Radiation shield.
Couldn't find that.
Your scanner can detect hazardous radiation fields capable of damaging you. Please activate your scanner and use it to assess the irradiated area ahead. Please activate your scanner and scan the irradiated zone in front of you. Your scanner places tracking points that display the area's radiation level. When you are ready to proceed, please exit the activation pod. Your radiation shield will protect you for a limited time. A shield meter is located on both of your wrists below your arm computer. You can use this to monitor your shield levels. Now please use your scanner to find the least hazardous route through the room and reach the exit. Higher levels
crap.
of radiation will drain your shield faster. The radiation
Yeah, I don't
monitor
know what I'm doing here.
displays the radiation level. Please keep it in mind. Reboot initiated.
My shield can only absorb so much radiation before sustaining irreparable damage.
Use your scanner to navigate the radiation field and make it to the other side. Shields at 95%.
Daggone it.
If your shield is depleted, your body will suffer irreparable damage. Please be careful.
Oh, is that me? Those are me. Oh crap.
Shields at 95%.
Dang it.
Reboot initiated. Use your scanner to navigate the radiation field and make it to
It's
the
pretty
other
disturbing.
side. Shields at 95%.
Oh, come on, man. This is
Reboot
confusing.
initiated. Shields at 95%.
Remember that song?
Yep,
Please
sure
don't
do.
stop the music.
What the heck, man?
Reboot initiated. Use your scanner to navigate the radiation field and make it.
I think I'm doing this wrong somehow. Okay, let's see. Is it the yellow that's supposed to be safe?
Shields at 95%.
I guess the yellow's safer. It looked like higher numbers to me, so I did not think that was it.
You can draw energy from induction panels to replenish your radiation shield. This module will complete when your shield is fully recharged. Please pull the handle toward you to begin recharging. Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
Radiation shield fully operational.
Copy that. Let's get started by opening the core enclosures. The code is 5826.
Authorization accepted. Warning. Radiological activity detected.
Well, that explains the temperature spike.
At least one of the fusion cores is leaking radiation.
Your scanner should help you zero in on the
Please don't
source.
stop the music. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music.
Yeah, kid, I hear you.
Nice shot. I'd say that warrants a closer look. I'll activate the I/O port so you can scan it to open the enclosure.
Enclosure unlocked.
You'll need to scan the individual cores to determine which is causing the problem.
Amber, go on.
Shields at 95%.
I should scan this to check for defects. Microfractures in the fuel assembly. Radiation at unsafe levels.
That could contaminate the entire fuel reserve. We'll need to jettison the core. To unlock it, enter 6102 at the central console.
Core released.
Bring it to the disposal conduit at the bottom of the chamber. Once you open the conduit, you'll need to seat the core into the launch tube and use the lever to eject it. Keep an eye on your shield levels while you're in
Emergency
transit.
disposal conduit online. Fusion core marked for disposal. Stand by. Awaiting manual confirmation. Radioactive material jettisoned.
The area is still irradiated.
There has to be another damaged core. Check the other enclosures.
I'll keep looking.
A second hotspot. I'm activating the I/O port so you can check the enclosure.
This core is similarly damaged.
Bloody hell. It has to go. Punch in 7641 at the central console to unlock it. Same routine here. Run it to the disposal conduit and jettison the core.
The heck, man?
Emergency disposal conduit online. Fusion core marked for disposal. Stand by. Awaiting manual confirmation. Radioactive material jettisoned.
Radiation levels returning to normal.
Thank God for that. Looks like we live to fight another day. Let's shut the enclosures so we can get you out of there. Re-enter the code in the center console. 5826.
Core containment re-engaged.
You're looking a bit worse for wear. Maybe you should use your ARM computer to upload to another shell?
Initiating manual reboot.
Reboot initiated.
Hold.
I'll meet you on the other side, by the hatch.
Dang, I was looking rough. Hey, buddy. You good in there?
Looking sharp, Jack. Did you get dolled up for me?
I know you like it when I look my best.
Such a gentleman. We should reseal the hatch before we move on, Jack. Chamber temperature is back within normal limits. Nice job in there, Jack.
Thank you.
Guess that means we're on the way to the ground fault in the cargo bay. Follow me, Jack. One of the cargo banks must be malfunctioning. We probably blew a fuse. I'd start by checking the fuse compartment at each cargo bank. Hera, unlock them, please. Just don't pull any good fuses, or we'll have loads more cleanup to do.
Current looks stable. No problems here.
Keep looking. Something went wrong in here.
I think I've located the problem. This fuse is blown. We'll need a replacement.
Affirmative. Wait there, I'll bring you a new one from the supply drawers. This should do it.
Thank you.
Got you covered.
Power flow restored. Maglocks coming online.
Copy that. Go ahead and secure the cargo.
Ah, crap.
I should put this away. What am I supposed to be working on now?
We need to stow the cargo crates.
Does it go in here? Oh. Wait, I'm so confused. It's gotta go in this thing. Sorry. Oh, okay. I see.
Strong contact from the maglock. That's one down.
Those crates are already secure. Leave them where they are.
What's this say? I already know what it says, but read it to yourself.
What? Your shirt? It says, dogs are a girl's best friend. Is that true?
That's for Jasper.
Is it for Jack? What about Petey?
Oh, yeah, that's for Peachy.
Woman, I'm sorry. I got involved in something. Is this supposed to fit? There we go. Alright, now I gotta find this other one. Is that it over there? I think it is. There's another one too, daggone it.
Just one more to go.
Dang it.
Cargo secure.
Let's lock the system down to make sure this doesn't happen again.
I'll throw the lockdown lever.
Lockdown engaged.
Thanks, Jack. I feel better already. Let's move on, shall we? All right, that ought to do it. We're all set. Hey, Jack.
Yep.
High five.
Sounds good.
There you go. I appreciate the help, Jack.
Anytime.
That's what I'm here for.
And here I thought it was to keep me from going round the bend.
I chose to abandon that directive some time ago.
Shut up. That's not funny.
Captain Rhodes, full spectrum scan of the anomaly is complete.
All right, Hera. Push the results to the holo table in the EVA staging area.
Acknowledged.
Come on, Jack. Let's go have a look at the results. Maybe we'll learn something useful about this anomaly of ours.
That does seem likely, considering we currently know nothing at all.
Suppose I can't argue with that.
Hitch and ride.
Yes, Jack? A personal space, Jack?
Lady, but it's helpful.
Okay, Jack. Let's see what we have.
Hera, status
You're silly.
report.
Status.
I'm coming.
All systems nominal.
Well, that's good news. But what about our anomaly? Where is it?
Hera, display the anomaly's current location.
Acknowledged.
Ah, there we go. Wait, hang on. Hera, is this image to scale?
Affirmative.
So the anomaly has increased in size.
Not a good sign. Let's get a closer look. Okay, let's see.
Liv, is your own EVA suit operational? I don't see it here.
It's in the workshop. I was giving it a tune-up. Why? You think I'll need it?
Your safety is my highest priority. You should be prepared for a hull breach or life support failure.
I'll make sure I have it handy. Thanks for your concern, Jack.
Curious.
I can't make head or tail
Cute
out
kiddo.
any of this data. What about you?
The data appears to have been corrupted somehow.
It's the same for all the readings. Spectrometer, interferometer, LiDAR. All rubbish.
Interference from the anomaly must be disrupting the transmission signal.
So, our sensor network is useless. What now?
I'll exit the station and investigate the anomaly up close.
Absolutely not.
If I use my scanner, I can bypass the sensor network. I'll be able to examine the data in real time.
We've seen what that thing can do to your systems. What if you get shut down out there?
I'm specifically designed for operation in hazardous environments. It only makes sense. Besides, we need to determine the nature of this anomaly. And I suggest we do so quickly.
Okay. Okay, well... no sense wasting any more time then. Let's get you into the airlock, sharpish.
Caution. Airlock opening.
Be home in time for dinner. I'll get there.
Circumstances aside, this is an excellent opportunity for scientific discovery.
Pardon me if I don't share your enthusiasm. Well, since you're so eager, let's get to it. If you're going out there, you'll need an EVA rig. There should be some inside the airlock. Just take one off the rack. You'll need to secure the rig to your back.
I think I did. Nope, apparently I did not. How do I do that? Did I get it? You're not giving me any instruction here. I think I got it.
Secure the EVA rig to your
Come
back
on.
so we can get you outside.
How? How do I do that?
EVA rig secured. Initializing advanced movement systems. Stand by for calibration. Module M201. Primary boosters.
Oh.
Your EVA pack allows you to boost forward in the direction you are looking. When you are ready, please exit the activation pod and use your EVA boost to reach the console ahead. Well done. Please press the hollow button to continue. Now boost to the end of the hull before the walls close in on you. Multiple boosts may be required. Excellent. Module M116. Braking thrusters. This module will calibrate your braking thrusters, which allow you to stop in place without grabbing any surface. Please exit the activation pad and proceed to the room ahead. There are 2 target zones in the next room. Please boost into one of the zones and use your braking thrusters to come to a full stop. Success. Now, use your braking thrusters to stop inside target zone B. Calibration module complete. Please stand by.
EVA rig fully functional. Ready to disembark.
Copy. Airlock controls unlocked. Pull down on the handle to close the inner door.
What handle? Yes, Misty! Good lord.
Once the inner door is sealed, you're clear to cycle the airlock.
Inner bulkhead sealed.
Once the airlock is cycled, head outside and make your way to the anomaly. Get a scan if possible, but don't put yourself at any unnecessary risk.
Understood.
I'm going back up to the bridge. I can keep a better eye on your status from there. Keep this comm channel open. Maintain constant contact.
Copy that.
Not Penny's boat. Okay. What am I supposed to do here?
Depressurization complete.
Yes.
Ready for EVA departure.
Be careful out there.
Don't worry, Liv. I'm sure it'll be no problem.
Isn't that what we always say right before there's a problem?
Exiting portside airlock.
Copy. There should be a Fury transport docked just outside the airlock. Should take you straight to the anomaly. You'll need to run a diagnostic check before you can take off.
Understood.
Prep for RCS thruster calibration. Please hold on to the railing for the duration of the test flight. Initiating RCS thruster test. In 3, 2, 1. RCS thruster check complete. Proceeding to primary thruster calibration. Reminder, please hold on to the railing. Igniting primary thrusters. In 3, 2, 1. Fury transport calibration complete.
Liv, the Fury transport is set for flight.
Great. Coordinates have already been uploaded to the Navcon. Just touch the
Select
marked
your
location on the
destination.
holomap and you'll be on your way. I'll monitor you from the bridge. Good luck.
I'm underway. Distance to anomaly, 4,800 meters.
Copy that. I have a visual on your transport.
3,500 meters. 2,000 meters.
Steady as she goes. Godspeed. Look at that thing. Just incredible. Jack!
The Fury is malfunctioning. I have no control. I'm drifting toward the anomaly.
Remote link's been severed. I can't reboot the transport.
Liv, I'm taking radiation damage.
Abort, Jack! Get out of there, now! Just ditch the Fury! Go!
Evacuating Fury.
Hurry, Jack! Get clear of that radiation!
Stand by.
Jack, the Fury has completely dropped off my scope. Total loss of signal. It's gone.
On approach, I noticed the anomaly was pulling the surrounding debris into its center.
You think the anomaly's housing some kind of singularity?
That would be consistent with my observations, yes. Needless to say, I doubt we'll be seeing that Fury transport again.
Okay. Well, so much for scanning the anomaly up close.
Reboot initiated.
Jack. Jack, are you alright?
I'm here. I was able to transfer to a new shell.
Thank God for that. I think those disturbances might actually be electromagnetic pulses. We might not be able to scan the anomaly up close, but I think we can reconfigure a geological sensor to do the trick.
How so?
Well, if we can use it to read fluctuations in the magnetic field, we should be able to get a look inside. There's just one, well, several problems.
Go on.
We've got failures all over the facility. For this plan to work, we'll first need to clear up some problems in the
Select your destination.
the primary dig site and the processing lab.
Send the details to my ARM computer.
Done. Let me know when you arrive at the sites.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call this. Hopefully it's saved. We are going to quit. That's a pretty cool game. Probably hear the robot in the background, I'm sorry. But, yep, you guys have a great one. We'll do this more in the future. That's really cool. Take it easy, everybody. Stay wild.